Hi Year 1, this is now our third lesson of outdoor learning this half term, and we are learning all about vertebrates. I'm going to share my screen and then we can get started. Fantastic. So we've been discussing all about vertebrates. Now, very quickly, I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Just in your head, remind yourself, what is a vertebrate? Excellent, Year 1. It is an animal that has a backbone. Now, last week we looked at animals with feathers. Can you remember what animals they were? Which animals have feathers? Fantastic! Birds. Well done. And I really liked seeing those of you who uploaded your work on Seesaw, those amazing pictures of birds that you had seen. So fantastic, Year 1. So we were learning about birds because all birds are vertebrates. That means that whenever you see an animal with a feather, you know that they have got a backbone. Fantastic. So we're going to look at a different type of animal today. Can you think of any animals that have fur or hair? I'm going to give you 20 seconds to either have a think, jot it down on your piece of paper or whiteboard, or tell the person next to you, if you've got someone learning in the room with you, if you can think of any animals that have hair or fur. Well done, Year 1. So, all these animals that maybe you thought of that have got hair or fur are mammals. So here are some pictures of some mammals that you might know. So we've got dogs, there's a squirrel and a tiger, and ourselves. We are mammals too. So the reason that we're learning about mammals this week is that all mammals are vertebrates. That means that they have a backbone. So when you see an animal that's got fur or hair, they are a mammal, and you know that all mammals are vertebrates. So far we've learned what a vertebrate is. We've learnt that birds with feathers are vertebrates, and now we've learned that mammals that have got fur are also vertebrates. You are going to be experts at finding vertebrates. Well done, Year 1. So, these are some mammals that you might see in your local area. So if you look out your window, you might see some squirrels, you might see a cat walk past, or someone taking their dog for a walk. You might even have some pets at home that are mammals and that have fur. So you can also have a look at those animals because all of those animals have backbones. They are all vertebrates. So today's activity, this is what I would like you to do. I would like you to watch the video about British mammals and see how many mammals you can spot. Now, slightly confusingly, there are quite a few mammals that live in the sea. For example, dolphins. They're mammals, but they live in the sea. They're not fish. And you might think, oh, a dolphin hasn't got fur. And you're absolutely right. It doesn't as an adult, but when it's a baby, it is born and it's a little bit furry. So quite a lot of the marine mammals, so that means mammals that live in the sea, for example, even though when they're adults, they don't have any fur, when they were babies, they often had some hair or fur. So they are still mammals. I would like you to watch this video, see what mammals you can spot. It's a really, really lovely video. I've watched it quite a few times, so I hope you enjoy it. I'd like you to write a sentence or draw a picture, or both, which would be amazing, of one or two of the mammals that you saw on the video. If you don't want to watch the video and you would prefer to go outside or look outside your window and go outside with an adult, then you can see if you can find any mammals outside, and you could draw a picture and write a sentence about those mammals. So you've got one of two things, or you could do both. You could either watch the video and look at what mammals you can spot, or look out your window or go outside with an adult and see if you can spot any mammals, or you could do both and then draw a picture of the mammals that you have seen and write a sentence. So, when I watched the video, the two mammals that I remembered the most were the badger and the mouse. So I drew a picture of a badger and a mouse and I wrote a sentence. I saw a badger and a mouse. And then I put a full stop at the end of my sentence. Fantastic, Year 1. I am really looking forward to seeing your work on Seesaw. Have fun spotting your mammals. Look out for those furry creatures outside. And I will see you next week. Bye.